What do baby unicorns call their fathers? Hi guys, and welcome to my favorite memories craft table. Today's craft is a unicorn horn. I need one for a certain project that I'm doing, and I thought I'd share and show you how it's done. So, super simple, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So, let's get to work. Alright, first we're going to need cotton balls. Pick these up at the Dollar Tree. Then you're going to need some felt or some material or even construction paper cardstock. Totally your choice. Then we're going to need some ribbon. Your choice also. I would make it thin, like a cord, something like that, something unicorny. Then we're going to need some Mod Podge and some glitter, scissors, a brush for the Mod Podge, and some hot glue. There are some options that I also use, and I'll show them. I use these little clips to help me with holding down the material. This is totally optional. Of course, water for your brush, and parchment paper to keep everything in one place and off your table or desk. So, also, I have made myself a template. It's a piece of cardstock that I cut. It's 7.5 inches across, 9 inches on both sides long, and 1 inch across the top. So I use this to help make my horn. So let's get to work. And there you have it. Your unicorn horn. And now, if you like, you can decorate it any way you want. You can use it for headbands, hats, just decorations. I already have a project planned, and you'll be seeing that project in a couple days or so. If you enjoyed, I hope you come back. And speaking of coming back, hit the subscribe button and it will let you know when I post again, which is quite often. So, oh, I owe you the end of a joke. So, what do baby unicorns call their fathers? Popcorn. And on that, I'll say, see you later.